Why is professional judgment key in engineering ethics? Imagine you're working on a bridge design that has to support 1,000 vehicles daily. You notice a small but critical safety concern. Do you ignore it or act? That moment highlights why professional judgment is so vital in engineering ethics. Engineers often face complex situations where they must weigh technical facts, safety, public health, and environmental effects. Following rules alone isn't enough. They need to think carefully about the bigger picture and the potential consequences of their decisions. Engineering ethics focus on protecting the health, safety, and well-being of the public above all else. But what does that really mean in practice? It means engineers must use their knowledge, experience, and moral principles to make responsible choices when rules don't give clear answers. Professional judgment involves several key skills. First, engineers evaluate risks and benefits. They look at what could go wrong and what good might come from a project. They try to reduce dangers while maximizing positive results. Second, they navigate uncertainty. Often, they make decisions with incomplete information or unpredictable outcomes. Good judgment helps them choose the most responsible path despite these unknowns. Third, they balance competing interests. An engineer might have to decide between a client's budget and safety standards or between environmental concerns and project deadlines. Ethical judgment guides how to manage these conflicts fairly. Another important aspect is recognizing their limits. Engineers must only work within their areas of expertise. If a problem is beyond their knowledge, they should seek help or refer the issue to someone more qualified. Honesty and transparency are also essential. Engineers need to communicate clearly about potential risks and avoid hiding problems. When they see risks to the public or environment, their judgment tells them when to speak up, even if it might upset their employer. From a mechanical engineering point of view, this judgment is especially important. Mechanical engineers design systems like vehicles, heating systems, or manufacturing machines. These systems must be safe and reliable because failures can cause injuries or worse. For example, choosing the right materials, safety factors, and maintenance schedules all requiring careful ethical consideration. If a design is rushed or safety is compromised to save money, it could lead to accidents. In real life, mechanical engineers use their judgment to ensure safety standards are met without unnecessary costs. They decide when a design needs to be improved to prevent risks. They communicate honestly with clients and regulators about potential hazards. They refuse to approve work that could harm people or break ethical rules. In the end, professional judgment helps engineers apply their ethical principles in situations where clear instructions might not exist. It guides them to act responsibly, protect the public, and uphold the integrity of their profession. This trust from society depends on engineers making wise, ethical decisions every day. That is why judgment is at the heart of engineering ethics.